Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Claude Mart with Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Today I'm going to show you guys how I print my labels and how I customize my boxes that I use to ship my seasoning to my customers at a cheap price using online labels. When you have a small business, you always have to be in the market, always looking for a way, to save money, because as a small business you have to do things yourself. You don't want to be spending money on buying, boxes, so you can customize them yourself at a cheaper price. So online labels, whenever you order from them, guys, they will send you a code in your email, and that code you can use the software for a year where you can design your labels. Yes, you can design your labels, you can upload your labels, and you can print them there directly. So this is just a little overview, guys, on how the labels look like when I'm printing them. And I am using the 16-ounce jars, and for the 16-ounce jars I use the 4 by 2.5 white gloss label. The white gloss label I use for the 16-ounce jars. So this is the main labels for my business. And what I do, guys, I already have an account, so I already have these pictures saved. If you don't have the pictures saved, they also show you how you can upload your pictures. So since I already have my pictures saved and I'm going to print the 4 by 2.5, so I just drag them in the dimension that they show me and make sure that it's within the dimension, and just put the label in my printers and just print it. And guys, when you are ordering labels from online label, if you have an inkjet printer or whatever other printer that you have, online labels will recommend you which label you should buy for your printer. And this is how my labels look, guys. I used to order 50 labels from a company for $70, and now, guys, no joke, I am printing 200 labels for less than $20. It's a steal. Whenever you are a business owner, you always have to find a way to save money, and so you can make a profit. So I follow the same thing for my jerk marinade. I'm printing my jerk marinade, and this is also the 4 by 2.5 label, and I am using the white gloss label. So I just put it in my printer, and this one is for inkjet printer, and I just put it on my printer, load the sheet on my printer, and just print it. And each sheet, guys, give you 8 labels in total. And now I'm going to print the labels that's going in my box. So I'm going to use a 12 by 12 box to ship this order, and for that I'm going to use a 8 by 5 clear glass label. Guys, remember, when you are buying your label for your box, it has to be clear, clear glass, because you want your labels, to look like it blend in your box. You don't want people to see that, oh, it's a sheet that you just put in your box. Now, make sure you get clear glass label when you are buying the labels to put in your box. So now I'm just going to print my labels, the one that's going on my box, and this is what my website look like. It's www.lebongoutseasoning.com. I will be linking the link below, that way you guys can go ahead and check it out. And this is what my labels look like. And now, guys, I'm just going to take you guys to the process on how I seal my jars and ship my seasoning to my customers. Yes, I vacuum seal all my jars. Reason that I do that, when my customers usually receive my product, they don't put it in the fridge right away. And also I use organic sour orange juice for my seasoning, so that also serve as a preservative that preserve all my seasoning. And guys, if you are wondering of the equipment that I'm using, I am using a food saver vacuum sealer that I ordered from Amazon. If you want to know where I get it from, the exact link, you can comment below. Remember to comment below and I will answer to you guys. And guys, while you're watching this video, if you like the video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to help me grow my channel. And after I vacuum seal it, guys, I use a plastic shrinking paper that I put around all the jars. I feel like when you do that and you present your product like that to your customer, it looks very professional. It is seal wrapped. It shows that the seal is not broken. It is very professional. And if you want to know where I get the heat gun, I got that from Amazon as well. And when I brought those shrinking papers, they were very small, so I used 2 for each jars. And guys, if you are wondering what does lebongout seasoning mean, lebongout seasoning in English mean the good taste seasoning. I developed that business couple years ago because I wanted to create an organic seasoning business where people can buy an organic seasoning. It's an all-in-one seasoning. You don't need to buy any other product. That's the only product you need in your kitchen, and that you can make any meals that you want, and they're gonna be tasty. A lot of people worried about the sodium intake in their food, but guys, you really have to pay attention about the seasoning and know what you are putting in your body. One of the seasoning that is the most selling seasoning and that is unique to our store is the black mushroom seasoning. So remember to check that as well. I have it on my previous video. And this is the pickles, and of course I vacuum seal the pickles. And also guys, whenever someone order from me, whatever seasoning that I have that they don't have in their order, I usually package it as a small gift. And in this order, this customer will be receiving a small organic hot pepper sauce. It's the little bottle that you guys see me working on. So I have those little bottles, and they are small little sample. If someone's been ordering from me for a while, they haven't tried a new product yet, so I usually put it in a small sample size and send it to them. And for my bubble mailers, I also got them from Amazon as well. There's anything that you need to learn more that I didn't fully talk about in this video, please remember to leave a comment below, and I'll make sure to reply to it as well. And guys, those thank you sticker note that you are seeing, I also ordered that from Online Label. They are the 2x2 white gloss sticker sheet. So I got them from Online Label, and I found a thank you pictures that I got from Google and just put it in there and just customize the labels myself. But you can find them at Online Label as well. I'll make sure to link it below. And guys, when I am shipping all my seasoning, I use a food graded bubble mailer. This bubble mailer is approved by the FDA. It is safe to ship food, to ship seasoning. This bubble mailer is insulated bubble mailer. So when I ship my seasoning, I put an ice pack inside all of them, and it keeps my seasoning fresh. Sometimes guys, my customer will receive the seasoning still frozen if I put it in the freezer before I shipped it. But this bubble mailer, if you are shipping food or if you are sending product that needs to remain cold, you can buy those. They are very insulated bubble mailer, and they will keep your product fresh during shipping. And also they are bubble mailer, so they also serve as extra cushion. So if you are shipping glass jars, so it's also extra protection for your jars as well. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, I am using a 12x8x6 box, and now I'm going to put my labels in there, the one that I printed earlier. And guys, that is the reason why I said to use the clear glass label for your boxes. Because look at that, it looked like the label is integrated in the box, like it was made like this, and nobody will know. You see, it looks very professional, very nice. Reason that I do that, guys, when you are shipping your goods, you don't know how many warehouse they'll be going to, how many drivers will be seeing it, how many workers will be seeing it. It takes one person to look at your box and to wonder, what is that business about? And boom, there you go. You made a sale, you get a new customer, and you help spread the word around. This is a cheap way to brand your business, guys. Put yourself out there and put labels on your boxes. Brand your business, and that way people can learn about your business. And word spread around really quickly. When people try your product, which I'm sure they will love it, they will let others know, and that's how you increase your sale as well. So when you are a small business, branding matters. You might not think that, oh, I don't need to put label on my boxes. I don't need to do that. Yes, you do. Brand yourself, sis. Brand your product. Brand yourself. And for my tape, guys, I get them from VisaPrint, and it's very easy. But I think there's another website that do it for a cheaper price. I'm going to find that out and make sure I put the link below. But I put my tape on top of my box, and I also use this tape for when I'm shipping the flatbread box, because they are white and I cannot put that sticker on top, so I use that tape as well. And this is how my box look when I'm shipping it to my customer, guys. Very simple. I put my fragile sticker all over the box because the post office can be rough with all packages. And I use a scale to weigh my packages. If my packages is going very far, I use the flat rate box because it'll save me coins. But if not, I use my custom packaging boxes, and I use PayPal for all my shipping label as well. I just enter the weight and then print my labels. All my customers and subscribers, I know Black Friday is right around the corner. I'm just letting you guys know that right now, for Black Friday, my business, we will have a big sale going on where we're going to have bundle deals, and we're also going to have 40% off side wide plus free shipping. Yes, 40% off plus free shipping. Everything will be free shipping, and you can bundle the seasoning together and save yourself some coins. So if you haven't joined our email list, make sure you do so. Please look around for Black Friday, and make sure you check my website. The link is below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please remember to ask it below, and I'll make sure that I reply to you the best as I can. Thank you guys so much. Remember to subscribe. Bye.